Hook, have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're drowning in a sea of bills and debt? Well, I've got a solution for you, Rocket Money. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how to set up Rocket Money and start taking control of your financial life. Introduction: Rocket Money is a personal finance app that can help you track your spending, pay off debt, and save money. It's a powerful tool that can make a big difference in your financial health. Step 1. Download and sign up. Start by downloading the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, create an account by entering your email address and password. Step 2. Link your accounts. After creating an account, you'll need to link your financial accounts to Rocket Money. This includes your bank accounts, credit cards, and loan accounts. Rocket Money uses secure data encryption to protect your financial information. Step 3. Track your spending. Once you've linked your accounts, Rocket Money will start tracking your spending. You'll be able to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Rocket Money also provides insights into your spending habits, such as how much you spend on different categories like dining out, groceries, and entertainment. Step 4. Pay off debt. Rocket Money can help you pay off debt faster by providing you with a debt payoff plan. The app will calculate how much you need to pay each month to pay off your debt in a timely manner. You can also use Rocket Money to find balance transfer offers that can help you lower your interest rates and save money. Step 5. Save money. Rocket Money can help you save money by identifying areas where you can cut back on your spending. The app can also help you find ways to earn extra money, such as through side hustles or cashback rewards. Rocket Money also offers a savings goal feature that can help you stay motivated to save for specific goals, such as a down payment on a house or a vacation. Additional tips: use Rocket Money's budgeting tools. Rocket Money provides a variety of budgeting tools that can help you track your income and expenses, set spending limits, and create a budget that works for you. Take advantage of Rocket Money's bill negotiation service. Rocket Money can help you negotiate lower bills with your cable, internet, and other service providers. Connect Rocket Money to your other financial apps. Rocket Money integrates with a variety of other financial apps, such as Mint and in-app, to provide you with a more comprehensive view of your finances. Conclusion: Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start using Rocket Money to track your spending, pay off debt, and save money. Call to action: so what are you waiting for? Download Rocket Money today and start taking control of your financial future. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.